and more so the children who have turned up for this noble cause of saving their friends. I also thank the children of Nairobi for dancing with me and giving me a jig early in the morning. Nimewapenda sana watoto, nimeshukuru sana. And I think Dr. Gekonyo, because we have to run, we have to raise funds. I'll join you, but not for the whole run, because I need to fly to Meru with my boss, President William Ruto, but I'll cover some distance, and then I'll be able to veer off because I need to go to Meru. I have also raised some money for this cause. Daktari, with me here is 2,100,000 toward this cause. Kwa hivyo mimi nashukuru sana. Muko tayari kutembea? Kabisa? Wangapi wako tayari? Muko sawa? Mutanishinda? Hamwezi nishinda? Mutanishinda? Wacha tuanze, mtaona mimi ni kali sana. So nimeshukuru sana. May God bless you and bless you abundantly. Asanteni sana.